Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on INFINIX Zero X Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is restart the phone. Basically, temporary glitches can sometimes block the mic access. So how you do that? Basically, hold the power button. Now hold this little green icon, which is the restart, and now your phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys after the restart. So as you guys can see, the phone is now restarted. So now what we need to do is check if we have anything connected to Bluetooth, or if we have our headphones plugged in to the 3.5mm jack port, which is right here. So first, make sure to disable Bluetooth completely to avoid any miscommunication between you, your phone, and any other device. And then, if this didn't help, go over and try cleaning the microphone hole. Basically, anything like dust and debris in the mic opening can block sound or give it a muffled effect. So use a soft toothbrush or blow gently with the compressed air, and remember, don't insert anything sharp because it would just make everything worse and there could be a lot of damages. So don't do that. Now what you guys can do is try and clear the app cache for whatever app your mic is not working. So go over the settings. Now here what you guys need to do is go over to app management, and here go over to the app list. Now search for applications. Here search for example phone, and make sure that the permissions, here we have the allowed ones, and make sure that the microphone is allowed. So if it wasn't, then maybe it fixed it already, but if it didn't, then try and check for software updates, because sometimes the bugs related to the microphone behavior can be caused by it, and they are sometimes fixed in the later patches. So scroll down until you see system in the settings, go over to system update, and here click on online update. Now here click on check for update, and yeah, if your update is if your version is not up to date, then simply update it and then try and see if the microphone is working. But if it isn't, then the last resort is basically resetting your phone entirely. So go back to system. Here make sure to back up your things first, like back up to Google Drive or back up and restore. So then simply click reset phone, go to erase all data, and click erase all data here. Now if all of that didn't work, then what you can do is go over to the authorized center for INFINIX phones and get it fixed, because it may be a hardware issue. So without further ado, that be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.